I might. Let's see what we got in here. Oh yeah, I need gas.
Don't even need to open the bag.
Don't even need to open the bag. It's already a hole in it. Do we have 93 at our gas station or 91?
93.
Dude. Oh.
Either or. I feel like this one do give my shit boost though. Man, they got Amazon at night.
That boy going overtime. Huh?
That's the charger.
Scat Pat. Rhett Lee. The hell is Rhett Lee? Hold on, let me get in my breath.
I know. I'm just on the bag.
God.
That's pissed.
Bruh.
Fuck it.
I did before we left for that exact reason.
Huh?
Said I did before we left for that exact reason. I knew I was gonna have to. I got my turn signal on. Oh, shit. Damn, motherfucker. Think I can? Think my fat ass can fit in between it? Huh?
You think I put one of those on the bike? I gotta put it over my head.
Probably. Birds. Oh, look at these fucking things.
Capybara's.
What the fuck? I gotta take a picture of that.
Here's a try to make cook something in one of these, a cauldron. Don't y'all have a cauldron?
Yeah.
Alright. So you're looking for candles. Two candles.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Candle.
Power's up. I'm outside, right? You need like a pack of hundreds, right?
Yeah, as soon as you just get one of these. Oh, they only comes in a pack of one?
I think.
Maybe these. 8 per case.
Need like these.
No, those are too tiny.
That's at these.
Yeah, those are too tiny. We need like nice thick ones.
That's not tiny, that's skinny.
Well, yeah. Those will just like run down. Need like those.
Well, I'll be back up.
These shits are all fake.
Yeah, I know. That's why I said I wonder if I could just put it on my head and leave. There you go, home with the green.
What the?
Ain't not fake.
These aren't fake. 90% off Christmas?
Yeah, because Christmas is over.
Yeah, but that's insane. Imagine like
Wait, so something that's like $5 is
yeah,
like
imagine
nothing.
shopping for like next Christmas, dude. Something that's like $10 is gonna be $1.
Yeah. I see it.
Punch back, no punch back.
That doesn't count.
Yes, it does. They're
So
right
so
there.
if I go on TikTok and I just search.
Golly.
Alright, what's next again?
Dude, this is like candy heaven. Mochi, strawberry cheesecake,
I can have one of
mochi
these on
tiramisu and cream, creme. Is that fucking Jeffy? Oh no. I thought that one in the fucking middle, I thought that was fucking Jeffy, the sunglasses on. Danny. Need a surge adapter for the outage? Turn that make sure the PlayStation doesn't fucking backfire and blow up. Huh?
We should get
Holy
those
shit,
things.
where'd you come from? Those dogs.
They're panels. They're panels. Y'all ride?
Yeah.
What y'all ride?
I got a moped.
That's what's up.
It's like a little engine swap moped, yeah. Pretty fun. My GoPro is still recording. I thought that bitch wasn't going to open. What the fuck is wrong with you? Don't those have like a lollipop on one side?
Yep.
You just want the fucking syrup? You fucking freak.
No, I just needed something sweet.
You
for a
eating
second.
straight fucking syrup, you weirdo. If you want, we can go up to the roof and go take pictures.
We can do what?
We can go up to the roof and go take pictures. With the city lights in the background. It's running away! It's running away! I told you it was running away.
Do it on this side. This side comes up way fucking weird. Yeah, the fucking side. What the fuck?
I'm fat, I gotta climb over, okay?
Could have just rolled.
Look at the line! Holy shit, Cookout is not that good. Yeah, it's literally around the building. It's literally around the building. Dude, that line is insane. Bro. Dude, that's so annoying. Dude, this shit is annoying me so bad. I hate that it's like crooked. You don't even have one. That's why I got rid of mine. Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking die. Holy shit. coming eventually, okay?
I thought I lost you.
And this thing's not nearly as fast as yours, alright? Where are you going, buddy?
I was holding the brakes the whole time.
Oh my god, dude. This thing barely goes as fast as fucking traffic does. What do you want?
I don't think that's a good thing. I don't think you cutting it off like that is a good thing. I think you're just flooding the fucking car.
How can I help you?
Hey, something's not done.
What do you want?
Usually.
Alright, let me get a let me get a McCrispy meal plain. I'll do the excuse me, the spicy McCrispy.
Beverage?
Let me do a Dr. Pepper.
That complete your order.
Nah, I got one more thing.
Big Mac meal.
Let me get a Big Mac meal.
Beverage?
Sweet tea.
Anything else?
Do you have the McCrispy plain?
Yep, sure do.
Alright, that'll be all.
First window, please.
Alright, thank you. What the fuck? Alright. Time to wheel away.
No, he's not happy.
I know he's not, I can tell.
1697.
Yeah, the park look nice to eat at right now.
Yeah, we can go up there. Thank you.
You got a couple of these down here, right?
Fucking dickhead. Spicy McCrispy plain. I'm alright, thank you.
Man, we just...
That's the tea. Thank you. I got a hole for mine.
Fat ass straws!
They were both $8 actually. $8, $8.
Yeah, she said she off the clock.
She just fucking like leave.
She just like no McDonald's up
We
here.
just see her fucking walk out the front. Thank you.
Hey, man, nothing.
Why they got my shit in a Chick-fil-A package? Yo, look at your fucking shoes, bro.
Oh, shit.
I'm just fucking coasting. What the fuck? You can't park right there.
think they forgot a fucking nail. It don't look like both of ours are in there.
Not a both of them.
Oh man, them bags usually bigger.
Yeah. All right. Oh. Look, there's a kitty over there. We're gonna go get that kitty. All right. It's time to go home. I'll see y'all later.
Huh?
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 Say goodbye. Say, you saying goodbye to the wrong one. Say goodbye.
Nene!
The fuck?
Nene!